Hi everyone, welcome back to K-Food Recipe Hunters channel. Rainy day, time for one of Korea's ultimate comfort foods, Haemul Pajeon, a sizzling seafood scallion pancake. Haemul translates to seafood, pa to scallion, and jeon to pancake. Today, I'll show you the classic recipe and why Koreans crave seafood scallion pancakes when it rains. Here's what you'll need: scallions, seafood mix like shrimp, squid, clams, mussels, the more the better, 1 onion, 2 cups of flour. Starch is optional, but if you want a crispy texture, mix 2 tablespoons of starch into the flour. Egg, 180 milliliter of water and pinch of salt. Cooking oil, soy sauce, vinegar, and sesame seeds for dipping sauce. Step 1. Mix your flour, starch, salt, egg and water until smooth. Toss the seafood, veggies in the batter. Cook them on the fry pan until golden and crispy on both sides, flipping carefully. Hear that? The sizzling sound matches raindrops perfectly. That's why Koreans love eating this on rainy days. It's basically ASMR for your taste buds. Feeling adventurous? Try some twists. Kimchi pajeon for a spicy kick. Veggie overload for the green warriors. Cut into bite-sized pieces and dip in a mix of soy sauce, vinegar, and a little sesame seeds. Thrill seekers can toss some chopped chili into the sauce or batter too. Pajeon's perfect drink, definitely makgeolli. Makgeolli is a traditional Korean alcohol drink made by fermenting rice. And you've got the perfect rainy day feast. If you get a chance to visit Korea, don't miss the experience of enjoying Haemul Pajeon with makgeolli at a local market. If you loved this recipe, hit that like button and subscribe. What's your favorite Korean dish? Share it with me, and I might turn it into my next video. See you next time. Bye.